Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Let's start. Open any editing application. I use CapCut. Go to New Project and add 5 photos. Now select Format 9:16 and adjust all photos to full screen. Delete the end part. Now add audio. Audio link is given in the description. Now adjust all photos to this time duration. Now add text. Select font and style according to you and place the text. Now apply text layer till the first photo. Now add second text. Now adjust the text layer. Now check your video. Now export and share. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for all latest updates.